Welcome to the Jeff Hollenstein's newest listing at 3133 Acorn Court. This newly refreshed attached single-family home is tucked away in a quiet cul-de-sac just minutes from Santana Row and downtown Campbell. This home has a well thought out floor plan, big backyard, and is truly an exceptional value. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to schedule a private appointment, contact me directly.